Hello friends, today we're going to be making two delicious snacks that you can serve outside. It's summer, what a beautiful day. There are going to be more days like today. You're going to have friends over, family, and these two recipes are going to wow your guests. The first one we're going to do is a fried pizza dough ball, and it's going to be sitting on top. Many are going to be sitting on top of a thick layer of a hazelnut spread that you love, sprinkled with icing sugar, and you can sprinkle raspberries or blueberries, whatever berries you have in your fridge, use them, and your guests will love that. The next one is a savory one, still using pizza dough. You're going to cut off small pieces of pizza dough and you're going to fry them. And then, before frying them, you're going to put a little piece of mozzarella in the dough, seal up the dough into a ball, fry the balls, and then when they're nice and golden, take them out of the oil and you're going to wrap a thin layer of prosciutto around them. And they're going to look like that. Your friends are going to be around with their glass of wine and they will devour these, I guarantee you. One ball of pizza dough will go a long way, and it's so simple, easy, and delicious, and you're going to love them both. Sometimes I forget to thank the people who make my life so happy in so many ways. Sometimes I forget to tell them how much I really do appreciate them for being an important part of my life. So that's you, all of you, just for being here for me. I'm back. It's summer, and if you're like me, I love to be outside. I love to enjoy my backyard, and if at any time, if I can cook outside, I'm going to do that. And having friends and family over, I'm going to be showing you how to make really quick and simple dessert and a savory little snack. We're going to start off with fried pizza dough balls with Nutella, raspberries, and icing sugar. And it's so great. You're going to do this outside. The smell reminds you of the X or Wonderland, and it's going to be fantastic. So here we go. You have your pizza dough, and you're going to break it into little balls. And you have your oil. I suggest to start your oil ahead of time because you want that oil nice and hot, so when you drop in your balls of dough, they start to golden up really quickly. All right, here we go. Oh, looks good, looks good. It's boiling, so it's good. And you can make them as big as you want, but I wouldn't make them too big because they're really just bitefuls, or maybe 2 bites. And it's a lovely day today, and you're going to hear airplanes in the background, so bear with me. It's all good. It's all nice to hear what's going on around you. That's about being in the present, right? Okay. I've got 5 in there. You could be making these. Your friends are around you, having a drink in their hand. And I'm doing these ones first because the next ones are going to have a little something in them, so I don't want the oil to be saturated with that little something. I'm not going to tell you. Okay, I've got quite a few in there. You're going to use your spider net here and just turn them around. Okay, you're going to have a plate with some paper towels on it, just to absorb some of the oil. And we're indulging today, and that's okay. Okay, as you can see, they're turning so golden in color. They look great. Here's one here. If you can see, they're nice and golden. Okay, a little bit more. I hope everyone's had a good start to the summer. School's out. Yay! Okay. I think they're ready to take out. How easy is that? Okay. So nice. And yes, anything fried is delicious. Okay. Let them, and really they're not that oily. So this is how you're going to plate them. You're going to get some hazelnut spread. Put it on your plate, board, whatever you want to use. Oops. There you go. That should be the right amount of thickness. You're going to place them on here like that. We'll make some room. And if you have any berries lying around, just add them. I had raspberries, so here you go. And I have some icing sugar to put on top. And that's it. Now, your guests are going to grab one, scoop up a little Nutella, and they're so warm that the Nutella goes, I'm salivating, the Nutella goes right on there. And you're going to take a bite. So good. So good. Your guests are never going to leave. I would pair this with maybe a frangelico, which is an almond liqueur. But anything will go with this. So give this a try. I'm sure I have chocolate on my lips. So easy. You do it outside, and it's great for entertaining. And now we're going to do our second treat. It's a savory treat with pizza dough. And I'm outside, so you're going to hear all kinds of noises. So bear with me, and it's all good. So we have our pizza dough. We're going to cut a little bit off, and we're going to put a piece of mozzarella in the middle, wrap it around, and close it like that, just like that. And you can make as many as you want because your guests are going to be wanting more. So make sure you have quite a bit of pizza dough. Mozzarella. Here comes an airplane. Okay. The sounds of summer. Okay. I'll make 2 more. Here you go. Mozzarella might be oozing out of the ball of dough, but that's okay. It's all part of the experience and the deliciousness. It's a little bit too much. And one pizza dough goes a long way. Okay, ready to go in the hot oil. Here we go. I'll put them in here so I don't splatter oil everywhere. And there they go. Break them up a bit. Lovely. I'm just going to turn the oil down a bit. Okay. Actually, the pizza dough balls are sealed pretty good. The cheese is staying inside. Okay. As you can see, it doesn't take that long. Very quick. Your friends are hanging out around you with their glass of wine, anticipating this delicious snack. Okay, I think we're good to go. So this is a great thing to have, this spider thing here, strainer. Okay, I'm going to put them on here just to absorb some oil. And this is where you're going to use a prosciutto. Make sure it's sliced very thin, and the heat of the fried pizza dough will keep it together like that. And you can plate it any way you want. For the purpose to show, I'm going to just plate it on this cool looking thing, but you won't have time to plate because your friends are going to be grabbing these as they come out of the oil. Get a longer piece here. Here we go. And it's just, this is just it. You just wrap it around. Okay. And there you go. So now comes the best part. We got to try it. Okay. So it's nice and warm. It's not too hot that you can't handle it. So I'll break it in half. Actually, I'm going to bite into it. Oh. It's so good. It's like, well, I was going to say it's like pizza dough. It is pizza dough, but it's like a pizza. A small bite-sized pizza. There's the mozzarella. It's soft. It's melted. But it's not stringy, so you won't get, a stringy mess. But there you go. Easy and delicious, and you're outside.